Hi yogis, here I'm going to demonstrate the Surya Namaskara, the salute to the sun, as I teach it to complete beginners. Come to stand, 3/4 way up on your mat, hands to your heart. Inhale, reaching up, look at the fingertips. Exhale, fold forward, welcome to bend your knees. Step your right leg back, inhaling. Exhale, step the left leg back. Put the knees on the floor, holding the breath as you come down, putting the chest onto the floor. Inhale into cobra. Exhale, come to downward facing dog. Inhale, step your right leg as far forward as you can. Join the left and fold forward on the exhalation. Inhale, reaching up, opening the chest, look at the fingertips. Exhale, back to prayer position. Second side, inhale, reaching up. Exhale, lift the belly, fold forward. Inhale, step left back. Exhale, join the right, hold the breath, your knees come down, gently lower to the floor. Inhale, roll up into cobra, don't have to straighten your elbows. Tuck the toes and roll back to downward facing dog. Inhale, stepping the left leg forward. Exhale, join the right and fold forward. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, and resting back with the hands to the heart. That was one set. Second set, inhale, reaching up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, left leg. Knees down, down to the floor. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg steps forward. Exhaling, left leg and fold forward. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, hands to heart. Left side, inhale, open the chest. Exhale, lift the belly, fold forward. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, right leg. Coming down to the floor, holding the breath. Inhale, tuck chin and roll up. Exhale, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhaling, right and fold. Inhale, reaching up, open the chest. Exhale, hands to the heart. Now I'm going to show you the classical way. There are so many variations, but just notice the two differences of putting the knee onto the floor for crescent lunge and the way of coming down onto the floor, knees, chin, chest. Hands to heart. Inhale, reaching up, open the chest. Exhale, fold forward and down. Inhale, stepping your right back. Put the knee on the floor and open the chest. Exhale, step back to plank or downward facing dog. Put the knees down, then come down chest and then scoop, lie forward. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down dog. Again to the crescent lunge. Inhale, right leg steps, knee down at the back. Exhale, join the feet and fold forward. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, prayer position. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, fold forward and down. Inhale, step left. Put the knee down, open the chest. Exhale to plank or downward facing dog. Put the knees down, chest down and snake forward. Tuck the chin, inhale, cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step the left forward, knee down. Exhale, right foot forward and fold. Inhale, reaching up, open the chest. Exhale, back into your heart. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Thank you for watching.